Hi everyone, welcome to App Beyond channel. We make videos to help you build better apps. By the way, do you see that cool animations? I recently found that on 60fps.design. It's from Lume GPT iOS app, and I really like it. So I decided to replicate its key animations and post the source code on GitHub. And today, I will break down how I recreated the main UI and animations, and I coded from scratch. The UI consists of two parts, the city selection UI and the animated bars in the background. I'll make the city selection UI first, followed by the animated bars, and finish by sharing states between the two views. Take a deep breath and let's dive in. I'll start with the city selection UI. It's pretty straightforward, as it's a list of text with a status indicator. Let's see how we can do it. Alright, you can see it's almost done, except the indicator doesn't move up and down when I select the city. This is the tricky part. I'll use the matchedGeometryEffect modifier to solve it. And the indicator moves around when I select the city. Now we can move to the next part. Each bar in the background shows weather condition like temperature and summary for each corresponding hour in a day. So there are 24 bars in total. I'll mark an array of temperature with 24 items for the bars. Make the bars equal in height and set each bar's width based on the corresponding value. Let's make it more interesting with enhanced animation. And to make it wavy, let's add a delay based on index. Now we've got the entrance animation ready. Let's combine with the city selection view. And that's it. Now we've got beautiful complex animation like in Lume GPT iOS app. We can improve this by actually fetching weather data using WeatherKit or any weather service you like. If you are interested on how to fetch data for this UI using WeatherKit, you can check out the final project in the description, and make sure you subscribe to learn more about WeatherKit in the future videos. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.